Did you know that the asteroid belt contains a dwarf planet? Ceres, the largest object in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, is classified as a dwarf planet. With a diameter of about 940 kilometers, about 584 miles, Ceres comprises approximately a third of the asteroid belt's total mass. Discovered in 1801, Ceres was initially considered a planet before being reclassified as an asteroid and later as a dwarf planet in 2006 by the International Astronomical Union. Ceres is unique because it's the only dwarf planet located in the inner solar system, and NASA's Dawn spacecraft has revealed it to have water ice beneath its surface, suggesting the presence of subsurface oceans. Did you know that the Valles Marineris on Mars is one of the largest canyons in the solar system? Stretching over 4,000 kilometers, about 2,500 miles, long, 200 kilometers, about 124 miles, wide, and up to 7 kilometers, about 4.3 miles deep. It dwarfs the Grand Canyon on Earth. Valles Marineris is a massive rift system that spans nearly a fifth of Mars's circumference. It is believed to have formed as a result of the surface cracking and stretching due to volcanic or tectonic activity, rather than water erosion like many of the canyons on Earth. This vast canyon system reveals the complex geological history of Mars and offers clues about the planet's past environmental conditions. Did you know that Jupiter's moon Europa has a subsurface ocean that may contain twice as much water as Earth's oceans? This fascinating moon is covered with a layer of ice, beneath which lies a vast ocean of liquid water. Scientists believe that Europa's ocean could harbor conditions suitable for life, making it one of the prime candidates in the search for extraterrestrial life within our solar system. The presence of a subsurface ocean is suggested by the moon's smooth, icy surface, which shows signs of movement similar to Earth's sea ice, as well as geysers that erupt through cracks in the ice, shooting water vapor into space. These observations have made Europa a key interest for future missions aimed at exploring its potential for life. Did you know that there's a planet made almost entirely of diamond? Located 40 light-years away in the constellation Cancer, the exoplanet known as 55 Cancri e is thought to be composed largely of carbon in the form of diamond and graphite. It is twice the size of Earth and has 8 times its mass, making it a super-Earth. The intense pressure and heat within the planet are believed to cause the carbon to form into diamond, making up a significant portion of its structure. This discovery challenges our understanding of planetary formation and composition, showcasing the incredible diversity of worlds beyond our own solar system. The universe is home to wonders beyond our wildest imagination, and 55 Cancri e is just one example. Did you know that the color of the universe is beige? Astronomers have determined that the average color of the universe, when all the light from stars and galaxies is combined, is a slightly beigeish white. This color has been humorously named cosmic latte by the scientists who studied the spectral range of light from a large volume of the universe. The determination of the universe's color helps scientists understand the types of galaxies that dominate the cosmos and provides insight into the age and distribution of stars across the universe. This seemingly simple fact reveals the intricate balance of light in the vast expanse of space, offering a unique perspective on the cosmos. Did you know that Triton, one of Neptune's moons, orbits the planet in the opposite direction of most other moons in the solar system? This retrograde orbit suggests that Triton was not originally part of Neptune's system but was captured by the planet's gravity. Triton is the only large moon in the solar system known to have such an orbit. Additionally, Triton has a geologically active surface, featuring geysers that spew nitrogen ice high into its thin atmosphere. Triton's surface is relatively young, with few impact craters, indicating recent geological activity. This fascinating moon, with its unusual orbit and active geology, provides valuable clues about the solar system's history and the dynamic processes at work on other celestial bodies. Did you know that Saturn's moon Titan has lakes and rivers made of liquid methane and ethane? Titan is the only place in the solar system, besides Earth, known to have stable bodies of surface liquid. This fascinating moon has a thick atmosphere that's mostly nitrogen, much like Earth's, but it's so cold, minus 179 degrees Celsius or minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, that methane and ethane exist in liquid form. The Cassini spacecraft, which explored Saturn and its moons from 2004 to 2017, provided detailed images and data showing Titan's complex weather system, including clouds, rain, and liquid lakes and rivers, creating a landscape eerily similar to Earth's, yet entirely alien. Did you know that the solar system has a tail similar to a comet? This phenomenon, known as the heliotail, is created by the solar wind, a stream of charged particles flowing out from the sun in all directions. As the solar wind travels through space, it interacts with the interstellar medium, forming a tail that extends away from the sun. The heliotail is part of the larger heliosphere, a vast bubble-like region that surrounds the sun and the planets, protecting our solar system from high-energy cosmic rays. The shape and size of the heliotail are still subjects of research, but it's thought to extend billions of kilometers into space, showcasing the far-reaching influence of our sun. Did you know that neutron stars are the densest objects in the universe that we can directly observe? Just a teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 6 billion tons on Earth. Neutron stars are the remnants of massive stars that have exploded in supernovae. Despite their small size, about 20 kilometers in diameter, their mass is about 1.4 times that of our sun. The gravity on the surface of a neutron star is so strong that if you were to drop an object from 1 meter above it, it would hit the surface in just a microsecond, at millions of kilometers per hour. These extraordinary objects challenge our understanding of matter in physics, representing extreme states of matter that are not observable on Earth. Did you know that Io, one of Jupiter's moons, is the most volcanically active body in the solar system? Its surface is dotted with hundreds of volcanoes, some of which spew lava fountains up to 300 kilometers, about 186 miles, into space. Io's intense volcanic activity is primarily due to the gravitational tug-of-war between Jupiter and the other Galilean moons, which causes immense tidal heating within Io's interior. This constant reshaping of Io's surface makes it one of the most dynamic worlds in our solar system, with a landscape that changes constantly. The discovery of Io's volcanic activity by the Voyager spacecraft in the late 1970s challenged previous notions about cold, inactive moons, highlighting the diverse geological processes that occur in our solar system. Did you know that Jupiter has the fastest rotation in the solar system? This giant planet completes a full rotation on its axis in just under 10 hours, resulting in a day on Jupiter that is significantly shorter than on Earth. Jupiter's rapid rotation contributes to its oblate shape, meaning it's noticeably flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. This quick spin also generates strong jet streams, separating its clouds into the dark belts and bright zones that can be seen even from Earth. The intense atmospheric dynamics caused by this fast rotation lead to extreme weather phenomena, including the Great Red Spot, a gigantic storm that has raged for centuries. Did you know that Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a storm larger than Earth itself? This gigantic storm, visible as a red dot on Jupiter's surface, has been raging for at least 400 years, observed since the 1600s. With winds reaching speeds of about 432 kilometers per hour, 268 miles per hour, the Great Red Spot is a testament to the extreme weather phenomena that can occur on other planets in our solar system. This storm is so large that 3 Earths could fit inside it, showcasing the immense scale of Jupiter compared to our home planet. The mysteries of our solar system continue to amaze us, revealing the powerful forces at play on our neighboring planets. Did you know that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the Earth's beaches? Astronomers estimate that the observable universe contains about 70 sextillion stars. That's a 7 followed by 22 zeros. This staggering number highlights the vastness of the universe and puts into perspective the sheer scale of the cosmos. Each star is a sun to its own solar system, potentially harboring planets with unique conditions. The possibility of life beyond Earth becomes more conceivable when we consider the incredible number of stars and planets that exist across the universe. This fact about the universe not only expands our understanding, but also fuels our imagination about what lies beyond our own planet. Did you know that the universe has no center and no edge? According to modern cosmology, the universe is expanding uniformly, but it doesn't expand from a specific central point. Instead, every galaxy is moving away from each other as the space between them expands. This concept is akin to dots on an inflating balloon. As the balloon expands, all dots move away from each other, but there's no central dot from which all others expand. This mind-bending idea challenges our perceptions of space and suggests that the universe is infinitely vast, with no defined beginning or end in the spatial dimensions we understand. The universe's boundless nature continues to intrigue scientists and philosophers alike, offering endless possibilities for discovery and exploration. Did you know that Uranus rotates on its side? Unlike any other planet in our solar system, Uranus has an extreme axial tilt of about 98 degrees, meaning it essentially orbits the Sun on its side. This unique orientation is thought to be the result of a collision with an Earth-sized object long ago, which drastically altered its rotation. As a result, each of Uranus's poles gets around 42 years of continuous sunlight followed by 42 years of darkness. This peculiar tilt contributes to some of the most extreme seasonal changes in the solar system, affecting the planet's atmosphere and weather patterns in ways that are still being studied by astronomers today.